On March 26, 2017, Dr. Peter David Phillips, MP, was by unanimous acclamation declared the fifth president of Jamaica's oldest political party, the People's National Party, to thunderous applause from a packed national arena. On April 3, he was sworn in as leader of the opposition by the Governor General. For comrades, it was a joyous and emotive occasion. For all Jamaicans, a moment of destiny had come for a tried and proven performer.
I, Peter David Phillips, do solemnly swear to discharge the duties of the President of the People's National Party, faithfully, conscientiously, and diligently.
It has been an eventful year of tremendous activity and I dare say change in the party. We have elected a new chairman, a new deputy chairman, a new treasurer of the party, a new legal advisor has been put in place. We have reconstituted the shadow cabinet of the party. We have established serious organizational energy through the YO and its changes, the youth organization, the Patriots, the Orange Army. We have selected and presented a number of new candidates. We have contested a number of by-elections in the Portmore municipality, also in East Kingston, both of which we won with larger majorities, in four in fact, parliamentary seats. We have done listening tours or established 3 commissions on land, reimagining education and the new economy and youth, and had a very active parliamentary year.
Comrade leader is very accessible. He's open to new ideas and he allows young persons to have a say, and that's one of the things I like most about him, and that's one of the best qualities you can find in a leader. Over the last year, I have had an opportunity to work closely with him in terms of land and the environment, in terms of setting up the National Land Ownership Commission, which has been given a mandate to see how best we can transform the lives of persons by creating a radical improvement on what presently exists in terms of how land titles are dealt with, how persons can obtain titles for land, and just really how people can feel that they have a place at the table and that they have a stake in Jamaica.
The PNP came into existence and has throughout its years been committed to building an equitable society. A country which doesn't have first class and second class citizens. A country where everyone can get the same high quality of education. A country where everyone who is willing to work can realize their dreams and move up in life. That has been the mission of the PNP from Norman Manley and his generation founded it, and that is particularly what I want for the PNP, what I want to see its renewal to accomplish this objective in the context of our times.
I just want to congratulate Peter Phillips for achieving his first anniversary as President of the People's National Party. I'm in particular impressed with what Peter Phillips have done in the first year, because he has concentrated on returning the party to a party of concepts, a party of ideas, and a party of intellect. He has been building the foundation of the party and has been doing that in a very effective and efficient way. He has not only been doing the right thing, I think that he has been doing the thing right. He has been putting candidates in place. For the first time in my presence in the People's National Party, I've seen where we have started to work on a manifesto, and he has tried to make sure that ideas are allowed to disseminate within the party. So I feel that he has been a good president thus far.
PNP leader, feel we new leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, yeah. Here we go, my people, don't you know? Peter Phillips are the real real champion. Here we go, my people, you should know. Him decrease poverty with job creation, which means him a rebuild.
The last year for Dr. Peter Phillips has been an excellent one in relation to his leadership. A wonderful transition from Portia Simpson Miller. Beyond that, we have seen meetings with stakeholders right across the country, the church, the youth, educational leaders, and also persons involved in NGOs and civic groups. It is against this background that I really would like to congratulate Comrade Peter David Phillips for having led us through a difficult year, but one that has clear indication of getting stronger and stronger relative to the party and the movement.